First, let's understand what causes split ends. Overstyling, excessive heat, harsh chemicals, and environmental factors can weaken your hair's protective outer layer, leading to breakage and split ends. But don't worry, we've got natural solutions to repair and prevent further damage. Remedy number 1, the nourishing power of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a miracle worker for damaged hair. Rich in fatty acids, it penetrates deep into the hair shaft, moisturizing and reducing protein loss. In order to use it, warm up a few tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. Apply it to the lower half of your hair, focusing on the ends. Massage gently and wrap your hair in a warm towel. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for intense hydration. Rinse and shampoo as usual, using the herbal shampoo with no chemicals. Repeat this twice a week for best results. Remedy number 2, avocado hair mask. Avocados are packed with vitamins A, D, E, and B6, plus proteins and healthy fats that strengthen and repair your hair. You can prepare the mask by doing the following. Mash 1 ripe avocado in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix until smooth. Apply the mixture to clean, damp hair. Focus on the ends and any damaged areas. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo if necessary. This mask will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and rejuvenated. Remedy number 3, egg yolk and honey treatment. Egg yolks are rich in proteins and amino acids essential for strong hair, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Whisk 1 egg yolk with 2 tablespoons of honey. Optionally, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil for extra nourishment. Apply the mixture to your hair, covering all the split ends. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water to prevent cooking the egg, and herbal shampoo as usual. Use this treatment once a week to repair and strengthen your hair. Remedy number 4, papaya hair mask. Papaya is rich in vitamins and the enzyme papain, which helps remove impurities and nourish hair. Blend half a ripe papaya with the seeds removed until smooth. Then add half a cup of plain yogurt and mix well. Apply the mask evenly through your hair. Cover with a shower cap. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and, well, enjoy your silky hair. Remedy number 5, chamomile tea rinse. Chamomile soothes the scalp and adds shine, reducing the appearance of split ends. Brew 2 to 3 chamomile tea bags in 2 cups of hot water. Let it cool to room temperature. After shampooing, pour the chamomile tea over your hair as a final rinse. Do not rinse out, style as usual. This gentle rinse can be used after every wash. Along with these natural remedies, here are some tips to prevent split ends. Regular trims. Get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends. Gentle brushing. Use a wide-toothed comb to detangle wet hair. Limit heat styling. Embrace your natural texture or use heat protectants. Protect from the sun. Wear a hat or use hair products with UV protection. Stay hydrated and eat well. Healthy hair starts from within. Remember, your hair is your crowning glory. By choosing natural remedies and treating your hair with love and care, you can say goodbye to split ends and hello to gorgeous, healthy locks. It's time to embrace the beauty that comes from nature and shine from the inside out. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty secrets. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.